The purpose of this video is to demonstrate some standard maintenance lubrication process for your Bike Friday. Your Bike Friday will be very happy if you apply some light oil pretty regularly. I do this bike maybe once a week, especially if it's wet, and especially anytime I start hearing creaking sounds coming from the pivots. Most likely those are coming from the main pivot of the frame, which is down inside here. I will squirt some light oil, let that penetrate down into the areas that actually move when the bike folds. Got another one here at the seat mast. Let this light penetrating oil soak down into there. Once you've done that, it's a good idea. Go ahead and fold it a few times. Let that move around. Let both those hinges move. If I were to remove these bolts on a more occasional maintenance schedule, I would remove those bolts and add grease to them. But on a regular maintenance schedule, this light oil is good. On the subject of grease, we've got two metal parts that touch right there, so I want to regularly apply some grease right there to the exposed surfaces. I've got a brush here, but if you don't have a brush, you can get a nice clean rag, greasy, and apply that evenly to the surfaces that interact. Another good place to be doing that regularly would be up at the head tube, steer tube, stem riser interface. So applying a generous amount of grease to that interface point. Similarly, just above that, most Bike Fridays have an adjustment for the height and centering of the handlebars, which should also have a generous amount of grease. Be careful to check your handlebar height before you mess with this one. We have to spend some time resetting it. Just wiping off all the excess grease once we're done with those so that it doesn't pick up dirt. Other good places to add grease are inside the handlebar stem interaction and here at the seat post. Thank you.